I see here is the process of production rotor. So you can see to put the pivots into the rotor main round, and then we continue to make all the process, and then we gluing the magnet into the rotor. So we put it in the dry up machine. This dry up machine can dry up the glue with the heat, and then we have a good that have a magnet and rotor being glued well. I mean that we gluing and then put in the cap. The cap also have glues too. So then we put in the cap. This is doing work like work to fix the magnet into the rotor. So after rotor we continue to see the stator process. Stator process we wiring. So now this wiring is finished. So we start to see how it's made. We start with dropping the resistant glue on this line. This machine works to remove the resistant glue on the wire, so it well connect and being soldering in here.
Em xỏ vô là nó xỏ vô.
This is a soldering oven. It have temperature degrees like 300 Celsius degrees from now. So we put the heat shrink type to protect the wire head, and then heat it up to make it well fit into the wire. So we continue to see the process to the end. We put the resistor and then put the rotor into the stator. You can see at first you push the rotor into the stator and then put in the cap. So press to the machine automatic. Put and it will put the rotor into the bearing. At bottom of the stator have a bearing to fit in rotor into it, and then we are screwing to complete assembly a brushless motor. Brushless motor is finished, and we just testing and packaging. So you can see the machine automatically screw up the machine. Okay. So here we're peeling and trimming, pruning to make the wires evenly the core outside. Make it easy to the next step. So you can see he's going to trimming the exit. And now we stamping the connector to connect the wire to the outer wire. Prepare for next step. Okay. So now we put it into the function testing machine. This automatic checking all the spacer. It if you check all the specifics, you can see the specification in the monitor, and then it will show you whether this motor is fail or pass, so we can finish it to packaging in the finish of the line. So after testing, after function testing and specification testing, we put it into the loading checking machine, so we can see how it's run with low or without low, and we can see the chart here. It show maybe the velocity, rad per minute, or the torque, and voltage, amperage, or something. Okay, so while all the process, after each step, we need to mark on the item to show that step is well made, and we prevent the mistake or messed up or oversee any step. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up for today. This is the typical brushless motor process. Okay. This is the end of the line.